What's up everyone and welcome to more my second channel, my visual improvement throughout the week and once a week. And to the right, let's go. This is a request all over on Discord. It's been a while since I answered to y'all requests. I'm so sorry, especially because most music reactions are getting blocked and it's so annoying. Like I just have to edit it again and upload it and then edit it if it doesn't work out, and then again upload it and then edit it and upload, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm about to give up. So that's why I'm doing albums mostly, and it's just, you know, it's more organized if it's only albums. But I don't think this is gonna get blocked because it is a performance. Divya requested this. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for joining Discord and requesting whatever you want. This is Amit Trivedi's Sound of the Nation uncut performance, radio, cocktail music, whatever. Yeah, so let's hear it. I think you told me that he had a great voice, a man here, so I'm excited for that. Let's go right into it. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Amit Trivedi. Okay, hold on. I wanna hear good vocals. Let's hear it.
घर फिरदौस पर हुए ज़मीनस हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो.
Hold on. This is like a cappella, but there's one guy voice that is so deep, it's beautiful, and the lady's voice over it is beautiful, and he looks unique. That's all I'm gonna say about Amit. Okay, I'm surprised. I'm loving this.
घर फिरदौस पर हुए ज़मीनस हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो घर ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो.
A cappella. Okay, Voctronica.
फिरदौस पर हुए ज़मीनस हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमी अस्तो.
Hey, woo! Hold on, is the whole performance a cappella? Oh, I love a cappella if y'all didn't know. Okay.
पश्मीना धागों के संग कोई आज बुने ख्वाब ऐसे कैसे वादी में गूंजे करी नए साज ये रबाब ऐसे कैसे पश्मीना धागों के संग. कागज के 2 पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहां नहीं जाना.
This is live? How it's... I guess they muted the audience, right? It sounds like it's recorded.
पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहां नहीं जाना था ये वही चला है रे. उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका मुंटा रे.
Tow. I see you, girl.
प्राण पाखी मोरुई राजा खाचा भेंगे पीड़ित बड़ो जाला रे बड़ो जाला रे प्राण पाखी मोरुई राजा खाचा भेंगे.
Hey.
सवार लूं हाय सवार
beautiful. Hold on, what's this? What is this? This is creative. What is happening? The background is beautiful. Y'all like Capella, you're doing your thing. I'm sorry, this old grandma. Oh, she's so cute.
लोग छिपना जाओ जी मरदीद करावो जी रे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखावो जी हरी सरोरत सब जानू मैं चौधरी हर सले वो बंगाली में कण लगी हर इवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम ओ हर हिवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम.
What's gonna happen now? Oh, every instrument you can think of. Hold on, Grandma. Okay.
नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग.
Oh my god. That was so good. That was beautiful. Hey. Yeah. Is he organizing this? Does he like produce this? Come on. I don't know who these people are.
सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ओ हे शुभरम मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई.
Y'all better move, audience. Sing.
खम के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना मौजा मिल के साथ ही हमको डोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई.
Oh my god, his voice.
सजियो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी अच्छा अच्छा टमटमाता शमणावो छे लावी
Oh, that's my favorite part. That's my favorite part. Hey. Come on. Y'all are sleeping. Hey.
Dreamum, wake upum, critical condition. Hey, artham, quick upum, hiladula sab shake upum. Face to face dharti putram, top to base kama sutram.
She's cute.
Saizam thandaram, downam mandaram, saizam mataram, pumping throbbing
I wish I can understand. Hey. I wanna go, 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 I wanna go. La. Hey, hey, hey. What is this?
तू हो गई 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए 1
Punjab.
ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी यार अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिवें क्वीन साडी विक्टोरिया तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन झुमकदा ओ जदों नच्चे भैन दी
Hey.
पूरा लंदन झुमकदा तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन झुमकदा ओ जदों नच्चे भैन दी पूरा लंदन झुमकदा
Ooh, what's that?
लंदन झुमकदा
Yo.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अज कड़िए
Yeah.
अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए अंदर दा कुत्ता अज कड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए पाउडर की लाइनों का रखेगा कौन हिसाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब
Oh my days.
I would like to thank Mirchi Awards for giving me this opportunity.
Hello?
हर कंपोजर का एक ड्रीम होता है मेरा भी एक
Composer.
कि मैं अपने देश के
I
sounds
don't know what
को
you're saying.
कुछ करूं. Possible without these amazing artists on stage.
Come on now.
Sound of our nation.
Y'all are sad. Why is everyone sad?
This is what makes me love my zindagi.
Oh my
So on that
days.
note, love you, Zindagi.
Here we go. Oh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे
I like them. I like that a cappella.
उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय
Here we go.
जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय
Look at the grandma. Gonna get his hair, bro.
Love you जिंदगी
Hey.
जिंदगी Love you जिंदगी Love me जिंदगी
Wow.
Love you जिंदगी
Oh, no, no, no. I wanted this to be an hour. I wanted this to be an hour. Must trust, must believe, trust and believe that I would be in the crowd going crazy. They did not give me the energy I needed. Oh, this is absolutely amazing. I'm so sorry I waited so long, Divya. This is so good. Oh, I wish I can go there and watch them, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this was beautiful. I don't know what this is, to be honest. I don't know whom these people are. They're great artists. Everyone did their thing. Everyone had great vocals. All of them sounded like they have auto-tune on the mic or something. They just sounded perfect to me. The acapella, they are crazy. Crazy. Wow, I'm so surprised. I actually did not expect it. I just thought he's gonna just stand there and sing, and that's it. That was a whole roller coaster I went through. I love it a lot. I loved every second. Thank you so much for requesting it. I will, if this does well, I will do more of these on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, like I will do them right now. But if this does well, and if there's more of such performances like a cappella and stuff like that, I don't know, let me know. I am so pleased. I'm so happy. I am fully enjoyed. I fully enjoyed it. I love y'all so much. I'll see you next time. Take care.